Hello and welcome to GCSE Health and Social Care and Childcare. I want to talk to you a little bit about the course and about what units there are within the course. So the first unit is about human growth and development and wellbeing, and this unit consists of 80 marks in total, and this unit will be assessed either as an on-screen or a written exam at the end of Year 11. Unit 2 is all about your coursework and how to promote and maintain health and wellbeing across Wales. And this counts towards 120 marks overall. So if we were going to look at the modules within the course, the first unit contains information about human growth and development across the life cycle. We look at physical, social, emotional and intellectual health. We look at the importance of active participation on development and wellbeing, early intervention and prevention. And within Unit 2, we look at how to promote and maintain health and wellbeing. So we will look at health and social care and childcare provision in Wales. We look at public health and health promotion across the life cycle. And we look at factors affecting health and wellbeing across the life cycle. Within Unit 1, this will focus on human growth and development. So in this section, students will learn all about the different life stages. We look at growth and development right from birth through to later adulthood and old age. And we look at the expected milestones of growth and development and what to expect, both physically, intellectually, emotionally and socially. And then we look at factors affecting growth and development and wellbeing. The next section that we look at in Unit 1 is physical, social, emotional and intellectual health. So here we look at the interdependence between physical health and good mental health, and we look at some of the activities that people can carry out to maintain good mental health, such as meditation and mindfulness. We also look at active participation, so we look at how within a healthcare setting people can be involved in their own well-being and their own support package that is put in place for them by health workers. We also look at early intervention and prevention to promote and support growth, development and wellbeing. So we look at a variety of different conditions that people experience, such as heart disease, stroke, lots of different conditions which will be useful to know about if you're considering a career in the healthcare profession. And we look at different life circumstances as well. In Unit 2, we look at health and social care and childcare provision in Wales. So we look at the different laws that have been put in place to support health and wellbeing across the country. We look at the different sections of services that are provided. So we look at healthcare, social care and childcare and what services are provided within those different groups. And we look at also how those agencies work together and why that is important. We also look at career pathways as well. So that's a really useful opportunity for pupils to really explore what kind of careers are available and how they might go about getting one of those careers. Unit 2 is all about public health and health promotion across the life cycle. So we look at public health and we look at health promotion. So how we promote good health and wellbeing in society. Then we look at factors affecting health and wellbeing. So we look at indicators of good health and wellbeing, we look at influences in good health, and we also look at risks to health and wellbeing as well. So let's just take a brief look at coursework. So your coursework for the course will make up 60% of your GCSE grade. Task 1 accounts for 40% of this, and this unit focuses all about service provision. So you need to investigate the different types of services that are available for a particular group. You need to investigate the different job roles of 2 key professionals, and you will need to analyse the range of services that are available, and this will be presented in a Word document in a series of tables. Task 2 is all about health promotion. So this is where you will select a target group and you will look at a range of health promotion materials. So you might look at a range of leaflets, websites that are used to promote good health, and then you're going to create your own health promotion campaign or activity. So that could be in the form of a PowerPoint, it could be in the form of a video or an advert, and then you're going to analyse and evaluate the task. So task 1 will take up about 10 hours of class time, and task 2 will take up about 15 hours of class time, but you will obviously be expected to do some work in your own time to do some research around those tasks to make sure that you're prepared for that time in lessons. These are the different career prospects that are available to you when you take the Health and Social Care course. So the course will allow progression into the following routes. So here are a range of healthcare roles. So we have a range of roles within the healthcare profession. So any type of doctor, allied health professions, ambulance services, dental, anything to do with dietetics and midwifery. Within a social care setting, there are lots of different careers available, such as care workers, personal assistants, community support and outreach workers, occupational therapy. And then within a childcare setting, there are careers such as education consultants, family support workers, health play specialists, learning mentors, etc. So there are a wide range of careers that are available to progress into as a result of taking this course. These are some of the skills that students are going to learn within the course. So they will develop a knowledge about a range of issues across health and social care and childcare setting. They will develop as independent learners. They will hopefully be able to think for themselves, how to carry out an inquiry. They will be able to sort of look at a different range of perspectives and the impacts of health and social care and childcare services on the wider society. So we do a lot of research around the different factors affecting health and well-being. They will consider how health and social care and childcare practice should be ethical, and they will also develop skills in using and interpreting data. And they should be able to develop an awareness of career pathways and hopefully gain a bit more of an understanding about the careers that are available and how they might start out their journey on a career pathway. So just finally, a little bit of an overview about some of the activities and the resources that we use within the health and social care lessons. So we currently use a variety of textbooks. This one here is a particularly good one by Mark Walsh. Really good resource to give you an overview of all the topics. We've got a revision guide here as well that is really useful for units 1 and 2. We also use a website called Healthcare Learning Wales, which has all of the units on there for health and social care, and there are a variety of online quizzes and assessments that pupils can carry out through the course. We use things like Jamboard, we use YouTube to deliver relevant content and videos throughout the lesson, and we also put all our resources available on Google Classroom so that pupils can catch up or go over new material as and when they need to. Okay, so that's all from me. If you've got any questions, please feel to get in touch with the Health and Social Care Department, and I will hopefully see you soon. Take care.